Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Reolink camera streaming directly to a Google TV. Here, see the image on the screen, right? Basically, I'm using the VLC player, and then I can stream the video directly from the camera, so I don't have the limitation, the time limitation when you ask Google to show something on the TV, okay? I'm just showing here that I'm using this VLC player, so when I come home, see that I'm watching Google TV here normally, and then I just come down and I look here for this software. That's the one, VLC Player. And with this one, I can stream the video directly here. See here, I have this URL that's bringing the video from the camera. So basically, I'm using the RTSP protocol. So as long as I have this URL here, it's going to work, right? So basically, I have here the username, the password, and the IP address of the camera. And it works pretty fine, okay? So when I just use this one, it takes a while to load, but then it loads the video directly from the camera via RTSP, and it stays there forever, no time limitation. So it works pretty good, right? I'll just move my hand here, see that's working, a little bit of delay, but that's normal for security cameras, okay? Just come here first in your app. So here I have the Reolink app and I have the cameras working. That's the first thing that you have to do. And then with this Reolink RLC 510A, RLC 510A, that's the one, you have this option to work with the RTSP. Just be aware that it doesn't work with this Reolink Argus 3 because it doesn't have the RTSP protocol available there. This one has, right? So if I come here, for example, to the camera, and just confirm which one is which here. So I have the driveway and the garage, and come here to the garage. Here's the Argus 3, not this one, this driveway. Come here to settings, there we go. So if you come here to advanced, let's see if I think it's here. Let me just confirm. No, not here. You can come here to the camera itself. There we go. Then here you see network information. There we go. There's the camera IP that you're gonna use back there on the VLC URL string. And here have advanced. Take a look here, you have different protocols here. And one of them is the RTSP protocol using the standard port 554. Okay? And you don't have this working with the Reolink Argus 3, for example. It's just with the camera here, the RLC 510 and 510A and other cameras, right? So basically, you know that you have this protocol. Then you just come here, install the VLC Media Player. Let me just show, if you don't have the VLC Media Player, it's pretty simple to install. You just need to come here to the main screen. And on the top here, you go to Apps. And here you're gonna search, okay? So just click here, and you're gonna search for apps. Oops, I'm just come back here again. So apps, and then you come down here and you search. There we go, you have the search bar. Trying to get there, guys. There we go. Then you search here for the VLC player. So VLC. Okay, there we go. That's the VLC for Android. And you just install this one. As long as you install this one, you're gonna have our welcome screen, like welcome to VLC and stuff like this. Then you just need to come to the main screen, which is here after the welcome screen and everything else. You come here and go down to browsing. Just go down here, browsing, and then come here to streams. There we go. And here you can just insert this RTSP URL. It's different for different cameras. See here that I have a Tapo camera, but it's the same here in the beginning. See the RTSP. Here Tapo admin is the user. It's the same here for the Reolink camera. And then you have the password, at the IP address, and then the RTSP port until here is exactly the same. You see here, the RTSP stream exactly the same as the other cameras, and then it differs here. For example, this other camera here differs here, but the rest is basically the same. Okay, so if you're trying to use your Reolink camera, just can copy this, right? You just do there, go there, you put RTSP column, the backslash username column, the username at the IP address of the camera, column again, and 554. Okay, just use your IP address here, your username and your password, you're good to go. Then as long as you have this working, come down, come back there. It brings up the camera. And then you can just come here with the control up and go down here to, let me just remove this away so you can see better there. You can just come here and save playlist. Okay, then you give it a name here. Let's say, let me just abbreviate that so you don't waste time here. Reo. There we go. Okay, so you have here, hit save, and you're good to go. So every time they're watching TV or something, you can just quickly look for the VLC player again. Just come down here and look for the VLC player. There we go. And then if you are using this a lot, it's gonna come here to this screen here. Then you can just select here and use it, right? But if you're not, if you're doing something else, you're gonna see the playlist up there. See here, the playlist of the cameras. So you have Reo here, Wyze camera, Tapo camera. Let me just bring the Reo camera and just play it here. It takes a while to load comparing to Tapo camera or Wyze cameras I was testing before. Sometimes it takes 10-15 seconds to load. There we go. But it works, okay? Then you don't have the limitation anymore. So if you're having some issues trying to connect your Reolink camera to Google Home TV, that's a workaround, okay? It's not the best solution, but it's a workaround. And I also have here a different way also using the TinyCam Pro. And I'm gonna talk more about this in a different video. You can also have the Reolink camera working here on your Google Home TV or your Google TV using the TinyCam Pro, okay? So I hope this helps. That's the way you can have your Reolink camera work on a Google TV with the VLC player, okay? So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.